Hello, my loves. My name is Karen Hewitt, and this is Blossom to Success. I am a social media strategist, but I also kind of just love lifestyle, home, and beauty, and all that kind of good stuff and makeup. And I finally caved, and I wanted to share with you. I re-signed up for Fab Fit Fun. They've been after me to come back for like 2 years now, and I finally did it, and they gave me some free stuff plus the box, and I kind of wanted to do it on here and share it with you. So let's see what extras they gave me. And then let's see what's in the actual box. So the first thing is I got the Millennium Collection glassware. So let's have a look at what these are. Yeah, you're getting my first impressions of everything as we open it. So this was an extra. It's like, oh, okay. These are kind of cool. They've done them in a way which is almost impossible to get out of the box. There's 4 of them in different colors. This is the purple. There's a purple, orange, clear, and green. But this is like a glassware, which is really cool. So we got this. That was the first thing I got. This was my extras. These were the extras that they wanted to share with me as a, hey, come back and use this code to give you an extra box because we want you back. Then I got these box stoppers. Okay. They're chili peppers. Look, that's kind of funny. Those are kind of cool. Okay. That's different. So we'll do that. And let's have a look. Brightening Body Scrub. Ooh. By Sensuals. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. Hey, yeah, absolutely. Let's have some fun with this. Now, have you ever done anything like that for Fab Fit Fun? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so this is, I guess it's like a jewelry stand. Kind of nice and cool. I like how compact it can be. It's spread out. And you see, the reason I like these boxes is because sometimes it's stuff that I would never have thought of. I would never have thought of going ahead and getting this. Because it's like I'm looking at that little stand and I'm like, okay, that's cool. I can see how that would work. I can see how I can put, like at night, I could put my rings or my earrings in it and not be so worried. Okay. I'm not even, oh no. I'm going to have to email them and let them know one of my pieces was broken. I'm not even sure what this is supposed to be. I'm going to email them and say, hey, I think it's a planter. I'm going to let them know why my planters were broken. And yes, I'll come back and tell you what happened. A butterfly necklace. So I'm going to be posting this later, but today when I'm filming it is my daughter Genevieve's birthday and she loves butterflies. So I think she might be getting a gift. Then a olive blossom shower gel, pure Greek. Let me see, I'm looking for creamy foam shower gel with toning leaf extract. Maintain natural hydration. So yeah, other than being really sad about the planter, that's quite sad. I'm gonna have to email them and tell them. But this is the actual box, so we're gonna see what's in the actual box. Paper. Paper is always a nice gift. So I just turn that to one side. All right, so HelloFresh, 17 free meals. Wrinkle Fighting 3-piece set silicone. Always going to try these kind of things. Oh, win a year full of boxes. How do I send a gift? Ooh. I can send a friend a gift. If you want a free gift, comment below and I can take care of that. Sweater socks. Ooh. I'm trying to dig through here. Let me see what I got. Because it's like a lot of stuff. Okay, so that's the end of that box, but we'll have to look at what these last few things were. Okay, so I have Moon Dew, which is an eye cream. Oh, Isla Liquid Powder Matte Item. Let's have a look at what color this is in. So, okay, that is pretty. See, super pretty color. And gel color. This is Nude Sticks Lip and Cheek Balm in Posh. Oh my gosh. Ah! And of course, I hate these. I hate this kind of packaging where it's like, because it's supposed to be super simple, but it never is. It never wants to be. But that is the lip and eye tint. See how there it's kind of really cute and pretty? I kind of like that color, so that's awesome. And then I have a turmeric milk and lemon drop planet milk cleansing bar. Okay, funny story. I actually just got this in my Allure box too. So I kind of think Dove's really pushing these right now because I got it in my Allure box. And then KitchenAid. What did I get that was KitchenAid? I remember selecting stuff, but I don't remember what I picked. One of the downsides to ADHD, you don't always remember exactly what you picked out. So, and some of the stuff's a surprise too. Like, I don't ever remember picking the soap. But like I said, I got it in my Allure box too. So I think it's like something that's popular right now or something that does. Oh my gosh. I should have got something to open up these boxes when I did this, but I didn't. Okay. I'm trying here. Tape is real. The tape is real. So the reason I've decided to share the, ooh, this is pretty. I want to start making bread again. So this is like perfect timing. It's like a nice little, See, the reason I want to start sharing these things again is because I do absolutely love having lifestyle stuff. And I have been quiet for a long time, and I figured this was the perfect way for me to come back, doing stuff that I love, something that's a big company, not just what I represent, but everything else. I will post in the comments when I get a response for them for what happened with the broken plant pot, but I'm pretty sure they'll do well with me. I am. But this was the Come Back to Us fall box from Fab Fit Fun tongue twister. And I kind of like it. I get 4 of these a year, I believe. And yeah, we're going to play with this and see what happens. I love you. Drop down in the comments which one you thought was your favorite item. Bye bye for now.